are going to discuss the concept of triggers in DBMS. Otherwise, you can write the SQL program using the concept of trigger. Before going to see the trigger concept, can you think about what is trigger? Trigger is the stored procedure that can be that even can be occur when the needed situation can be happen. So let us move on the definition. What is trigger? Trigger defines an action the database should take when some database related event occurs. For example, triggers are already mentioned, that is the stored procedure. The trigger can possible to apply what are the tasks we can done means insert, delete, update. These three possibility we can make in our stored table. That time we can able to apply the triggering concept. Okay, so that only we can define. Trigger defines an action the database should take when some database related event occur. What are the database related event occur? That time the trigger can be raised. Okay, then the trigger can be classified into two types. First one, row level trigger, the other one, statement level trigger. What do you mean by row level trigger? Row level trigger means the trigger can be applied for each and every row in a table. Before you can write any triggering program, you must have a predefined table. Otherwise, you have to create a table, then the table contains some record. After that only you can able to make the triggering process. Okay, so row level trigger means, for example, I am taking the employee table. In that employee table contain EMP ID, name and salary. Okay, so in this table I can able to apply the triggering concept. Here I can have already two records. Okay, so in these two records, in my AMP table has two records. Before I am applying row level trigger means the row level trigger can able to apply each and every row in a table. Okay, in the table contain how many number of records, all the records the trigger can be going to apply means that can be say the example of row level trigger. That only I can mention, it is applied for each row in a table. Then statement level trigger. What do you mean by statement level trigger? The statement level trigger specify each transaction. What is the transaction? Transaction means you can able to apply these three process: insert, delete, update. Already in my table I am having two records. Now I am going to make the insertion process. Insertion means I can able to make the insertion of third record. That time the triggering process can be raised. What will happen? I can write the triggering process for insert means whenever I can able to add the new record or new record into the inserted into the table, that time only triggering can be raised. The same concept can be applied for delete operation. When I am going to delete any record from the table, that time also you can raise the trigger. Then you can able to apply any update process. Update means here I can say the example for salary updation. In my table contain three records. In the three record I need to make the salary implementation. So salary implementation for that can be applied for these three records. Okay, so that time you can able to apply these. What are the type of transaction means? Update process that can be possible to apply in a specified record. Otherwise, it all the record are also possible. Okay, so before that we can see what is trigger, what are the types of trigger. Then after that, there are two kinds of triggering actions can be done. What do you mean this? Before trigger, after trigger. What is mean by before means before the transaction, before the triggering process done, what is the result for the table? You can imply the before keyword also, otherwise after also. After means after applying the trigger, what is the result? Before means before applying the trigger. Whenever you can able to see the both statement means you can able to apply before and after statement. Whenever you need anyone is possible means you can specify before, otherwise after. Okay. The next, how can you create a trigger? It is the syntax for trigger. What is the syntax? Create or replace trigger, trigger name. Trigger is the keyword, trigger name is the user defined one. User defined means the name can be created by user. Okay, then before or after. When you are able to make the trigger, before the transaction or after. Then after that, what are the three kind of operations? Delete or insert or update. for which column you are going to specify. Then on table specify which table you are going to apply the trigger. Then for each row means every row it is possible to apply, otherwise you can able to apply for the specific row. For example, in this record having in this table contain 3 records, I need to make the salary updation for only 1 record means that time I have to make the condition. So condition, what the condition I have to give, where id equal to 2. I mentioned that condition means with which record the condition satisfied, that record only going to make this triggering process. Otherwise that triggering process can able to apply for all those records in the table. Then remaining we have SQL block. Okay, so what is the syntax means create or replace trigger name. After that, before or after you need to specify. Then after that, which kind of transaction you need to specify. Then which table you are going to apply. Then for each row means is it possible? Otherwise you can give the any specified condition, that also possible. Okay, this is the syntax for trigger. The next we can see the example for trigger. In this example, I can mention the employee salary updation process. For that purpose only I can make the trigger. So here create trigger name. Employee salary is the user defined name. So in this employee table I can able to make the implementation of the salary. So I can put the name employee underscore salary after update on EMP. So EMP is this table. Okay, in this table after updation process I need to make the trigger. Then for each row, when new ID greater than 0, whenever the new ID can be greater than 0, that time I can able to declare salary difference is the variable. In this variable only I am going to use this program. So I can mention salary underscore different. It is the data type number. So salary difference equal to new salary minus old salary. What is the salary changes? Well, the changes only I can able to store. So this is the process for new salary minus old salary. That value can be stored on the variable salary underscore difference. After that I need to display these 3 values. For the printing purpose I can use the statement dbms underscore output dot put line. Within the bracket I can specify the display what is the old salary, what is the new salary, then what is the salary differences. For salary difference purpose only here I can able to implement the trigger. Thank you students.